What is up, everyone? This is Jojo the Techie, and I am just now at almost 9 p.m. getting my iPhone. It's been a long day waiting for the iPhone. They sent me a link of the UPS truck, and I've seen it go around my house over and over again, and nothing until now. But I'm just glad that it wasn't delayed, and I did get here today on delivery day. So I just want to do a quick unboxing and just show you guys what the phone looks like. I know that you've probably seen 1,000 unboxings already today, so it's nothing really new, but I did get the iPhone Air in the sky blue color. You may have seen this already so many times, but this is what it looks like. This is the box, which includes like a little bit of embossing here, and it's just a side view of the phone. Let's see what it looks like in real life. I did hear from a few people, especially my friend Jay Will, that the phone is actually bluer than what it will look like in the camera to you guys. So just a little heads up, it might look white instead of blue, but it's supposedly actually blue. And I did do my nails. I went for the 256 gig. Oh shoot, what happened? It came out of the box all wrong, but that's okay. Okay, nothing crazy, but here it is. It might actually look, I'm looking at the monitor here, it might actually look bluer than what I've seen in other people's videos. It looks really nice and it's extremely thin. I mean, this is like the perfect size for me. Oh wow. This is like, wow. I haven't been this wowed in a while with a smartphone. I just feel like I wanted something different. You know, it's been a while of having, just Pixel, Samsung. I just wanted something different. I did get the 16 Pro last year, but it was not really like my main phone. It was more like a phone that I had for doing my work as a writer, as a tech writer, to, document things and to just keep up with what's going on in iOS. But this one, I think this baby will be my main for a while. It barely weighs anything. It's so light. Oh, wow. All right, let's do a little ASMR. Ooh. Okay. So turn this baby on. It has the same exact buttons as the 16 Pro. So it won't be like a huge deal to get used to pressing these buttons because they're in the same location. It still has the camera cutout. The camera, what do we call it? What do we call this? The dynamic island. I don't know why I forgot what that was called. But my God, it's gorgeous. I can see where some people would really think that this is white. I mean, I think it looks bluer in my camera, probably because my white balance, but it looks, and because I have blue lighting, and I go a little bit crazy sometimes. I go a little bit extra with my videos. I just want things to look good for you guys. So the only other thing that the box brings, as you know, is just the USB-C cable, because that's all we get, and some paperwork and stuff that no one really cares about. I do want to try this bumper case that I bought from Apple. This is the only case I bought. I do have other cases coming in for review, but they will all be minimal cases because, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, a phone like this deserves a case that it won't ruin the whole profile of it being so thin. If you're going to put a chunky case on a phone like this, and what's the point of having a phone like this? So for now, the bumper, until other cases come in, and then I will try them out. Snap. There we go. Yeah, I really like how the bumper looks on this phone. It's, wow. Even with the bumper, it's like I'm just holding a slab of glass, which is, I think, what they were going for. Now, I did not get the power bank that Apple is selling for the back of this phone. I think it's too expensive at $99. This phone was already too expensive to begin with, but I wanted it. So I do have other power banks that I wanted to try. if I have to use it in a bind, if for some reason I'm out, let's say at a theme park, and then I have to running out of battery, this could come in handy. So perfect. You can see it's working. This is just for an emergency. I don't think I'm gonna have any trouble. I work from home, so I'm always near a charger. The final touch, because you know, I gotta do a pop socket, because I gotta be able to do this. I gotta be able to, move this around and not worry that I'm gonna drop it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.